Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. So I am Kunakshi Kapoor, and I'll be having this conversation with you today. It's great to be here. Can I know a bit about you, please?
Yes, definitely. My name is Neha Rana. My roots are in Himachal, but currently I live in Mohali, that is in Punjab. I am a proud homemaker and a mellophile. I love listening to music, and I run one YouTube channel where I upload content related with English language since I am myself a learner of this language. So in this way, I try to be in touch with this language. And yes, it's a kind of win-win situation. I share my knowledge, I learn a lot, and I earn also. So that's all about
Yes.
myself.
So it's interesting and a win-win situation in every way.
Hmm. Exactly, it is.
Also, a little disclaimer, do not mind me. I'm a bit under the weather, so if I stumble here and there, so just excuse me for that. I'm sorry.
Definitely
Yeah.
not a problem.
Mm. All right. So, this is our first conversation. We are meeting for the first time, I believe. So, like for a little icebreaker, I would like to ask you, what are your hobbies? Like, what do you like to do in your free time when you're not working?
Okay, as I just mentioned that I am a mellophile, so
Yeah.
whenever I get some time, it's always playing my favorite songs. I love listening to Hindi Bollywood music. I'm not into English music at all. Yes, sometimes I go for Himachali folk songs also and Punjabi songs also. And apart from music, shopping brews my
Right.
coffee. So I consider myself a shopaholic, but I am a savvy shopper. I know how not to burn my husband's pocket. So yes, I love shopping for myself and I love grooming my home. So if I get some leisure time, I try to arrange the cupboards. I try to uh, organize my home. So that's all.
That's really interesting to hear. So, as you said that you really love music, so do you
Mhm.
sing as well, or do you play any instrument?
No. I have nothing to do with the singing or playing instruments.
Okay.
I'm a lover of music. I can say I just only listen to music.
Okay, that's really interesting. So, if I would ask you, like, who is your favorite artist? So,
Okay. In terms of singing, I mean, who's favorite
in
singer?
terms of like the person you love to listen the most, yeah, the artist you love
Okay.
to listen to
The
most.
list is long. The list is long. I can tell you a lot of names. Lata Mangeshkar, Mohammad Rafi,
Yeah.
Kishore Kumar, Asha Ji, Shan, Kumar Sanu, Alka Yagnik and Udit. This trio, I guess all the millennial
Okay.
will resonate with me. And then, of course, the Shreya Ghoshal, KK, he's no more with us. And a lot of Palak Munchal, I like her voice and I like her as a person, as an individual. So, yes, there are a lot of singers, I guess. Yes, I love listening to these people.
Mm. Do you like your variety? I mean, because I
Yes,
could sense a lot of variety in your music taste, so you really like that, I believe.
right.
Okay. And as you said that you're also a shopaholic. Well, we all love retail therapy. I love retail therapy, but the only problem we always have is money. How to manage money. So, how do you manage that?
As I mentioned that I'm a savvy shopper. I consider myself an economical woman.
Hmm.
Uh, I always wait for sales or I go for those days like these days. I guess big million days are going on and Diwali is around the corner. So yes, I am a quite wise shopper. I wait for a discount and I try to go for certain coupons, right? But yes, I make sure not to buy unnecessary things. Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, I don't go with the flow that okay, I like this random thing and let's buy it. No. And how I manage money, since now I can say that I am financially independent, crossing my fingers, credit goes to this language. it changed my life and my YouTube channel because this is how I'm getting people who come to me, who take sessions from me, and I am, able to be a bit independent in terms of financially. So yes, I can say that now I don't have to look up to my husband every time to shop for myself or for my home. So I manage money I earn, but yes, I again I try to be very mindful while purchasing things.
Right. So this is something which I really need to learn from you, because when I go out, I completely go wild and then I have to hear stuff.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
I really need to learn that from you, I guess.
I think when you will be my age, you will
Yeah.
definitely automatically you will learn, right? Because now I am at that age of my life or stage of my life where I know how not to be influenced by those
Hmm.
advertisement or those very glittery glossy thing.
Right.
So yes, we learn. Life teaches us each and everything.
Yes, so as we know that everything that shimmers is not gold,
Yes.
we like right now, me and my peers haven't realized that yet. We haven't learned that lesson yet. Because for us, everything that's shimmery, we need to get that.
Oh God. You can enjoy. Actually, this is the age. Why to be so mature, right? So
Yeah.
just try to enjoy the moment because you know what? Every moment we live, it is not going to come again, right? So just
Yeah.
enjoy. Why to be so mindful? You will be once you get married, you become parent. You need to be mindful and
Yeah.
mature enough. So just enjoy your days. Don't bother much. Don't bother much about these things. You are audible, but I can hear you in bits and pieces. That's the issue.
Okay. I have no idea because my bandwidth from here is absolutely fine. All right. I hope it is better now.
I think so. Let's
Okay,
see.
great. So,
Hmm.
well, now the flow of the conversation is a bit like it has broken already, but that's
Yes.
okay. Do you have any questions from me, for me, maybe?
Okay, so I just want to know about
Yeah.
you. What do you do, and why did you choose this platform, or why did you choose connecting with people? Is there any specific reason, or you just love this language?
I have been a part of Clappingo since quite some time. I recently
Okay.
started these YouTube sessions though, and
Hmm.
I just love talking to people. I love
Okay.
interacting with different people, getting insight onto their lives. So that is the
Hmm.
reason why I joined Clappingo. And yes, English is a huge part of it. This language in itself is really beautiful, I think. I love to write, I love to read. So another thing that helps me impart the wisdom that I have and also intake the wisdom of others is through conversations, which happens through Clappingo. So that is the reason I came here and I joined. And it has been really
Okay.
interesting and really insightful till now.
Okay. Lovely, lovely. And if I talk about your you know, approach towards shopping, although you
Okay.
mentioned that you go wild where you see some stuff that appeals
Yeah.
to you, still,
Yeah.
which sort of person you are in terms of shopping? You just shop randomly, or you plan, you wait for discounts, and then you shop?
Well, I think the situation between me and shopping is really complicated because while also want to buy everything, I'm also a big miser. So it's like I
Oh,
also wait for sales to happen, and but
okay.
I also run to these little markets to shop. And when
Hmm.
I do go there, I spend like in thousands. That's an issue, but it's okay.
Okay.
We learn. I learn.
Actually, yes. Okay. And since you deal with a lot of people who come on this platform and you discuss different topics, right? So, what do you think? What is that common struggle or fear that people go through? If we talk about Indian learners who come from rural setting, so what is that common fear of all those people?
The common fear, as in while they're communicating, you're asking?
Yes, yes, yes. Communicating in English language.
Confidence is the biggest. problem, I assume,
Oh,
because
yes.
even though they know that they can speak well, they are fluent, but they cannot have that eye contact. They cannot maintain that eye contact actually while
Mm-hmm.
they are speaking. So that really affects their confidence as well, because when you're talking to somebody and you do not maintain that eye contact, the other person may feel insignificant while talking,
Mm-hmm.
and it completely changes the rapport of the communication or the between the two people that is happening. So I think the biggest problem is not being able to maintain that eye contact, which
Hmm.
relates to having low confidence.
Exactly. True that. True that. Yes, and I guess it's when we talk about communication, so people run behind words, vocabulary, but they don't work on
Yeah.
that their non-verbal part, right?
Mm.
So it's all about confidence, how to be presentable while talking, and how to be natural enough while expressing themselves. So, right. And now we are celebrating Navratri, and
Yeah.
Diwali is around the corner. Karwa Chauth is around the corner. So, do you like festivity? Do you like festive vibes?
Yeah, I love festivals. The whole vibe of it. Whenever you're walking in lanes, the
Hmm.
auspicious chants that happens around, it really gives you that positive feeling. And yes, I do love festivals, and I think the best part of it, apart from these positive feelings from pujas and everything, would be food. I love food.
Oh, okay. Okay, I can't say that because being a mother, so so I have to cook. But I'm not a foodie person. But yes, I love cooking for my family. I don't have any other option, so I have to love it. But yes, I love festive vibe, or I love this festivity because we get a chance to get out of those boring routine, get out of that boring routine. Okay, we break that chain of monotony,
Yeah.
and when we go out, when we see that hustle and bustle in the market, so it gives you, it actually refills you or recharges
Mm.
your batteries, right? So yes, I'm looking forward to visiting market very soon, to getting some stuff
Yeah.
for myself, for my home, and yes, pumped up that I'm in full swing to celebrate all the festivals.
The markets at this time are also in like this complete buzz. You
Hmm,
find
actually,
so many good stuff there, and right now with these sales and everything, it's just
yes,
perfect for shopping.
right, right. Again, then money comes in limelight. You
Yeah.
need to be very calculative, right? You need to calculate all the
Mm,
things. Okay, should I go for this? Should I buy this thing or not? Right?
yeah.
But I guess this is a part of we all people, specifically for middle class people, we spend our life calculating things, especially
Yes.
money. Right? So, but yes, it has its own vibe.
Shopping
Okay.
with a budget.
Hmm. Exactly. Budget, I would say,
Yeah.
budget is the main, mm, that it is the main ingredient of our life, or
Yeah.
I guess, as the month starts, we start discussing or bothering about budget,
Yeah.
how to meet the ends, how to be very economical with your spend. So yes, again,
But
it.
yeah.
Mhm.
No, please continue.
No, 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 there was nothing. Yes.
So
Mhm.
as I was saying that it has its own pros and cons. The
Hmm.
cons are that you always have to keep calculating and sometimes
Yes.
even put some things aside to manage other people's needs. But
Right.
then again, it also helps you create that life skill in your life, that
Hmm.
to actually basically curate that life skill for yourself, to have that patience, to have that sense of control,
Yes.
and to
Right.
basically understand prioritization. So it
Hmm.
has its own pros and cons.
Exactly. Exactly. True that. True that. Okay. So I guess uh,
Right.
we are almost done, and you need to take care of yourself. Go and get a strong cup of tea with a lot of elaichi and
Yes,
adrak
I will.
and tulsi. Yes.
Yes, I
Okay.
will. Thank you for that.
So
And I really loved having this conversation with you. It was really fun, even though the network did a little
yes.
problem, but still it was really fun, and
Yes.
I really enjoyed having this conversation. And I would love to know your opinions on it.
Likewise, I mean, the feeling is mutual. Even I'm looking forward to seeing you super soon.
Yes, for sure. We'll
Yeah,
meet again. So,
definitely.
take care. Have a good day ahead. Goodbye. Bye bye.
You too. Bye bye. Take care.